Hello there, my name is Cheyenne Quinn. I am a student of Unity University. Today my project is about how climate change affects products and services. I will be discussing about how climate change can affect products and services, how and what devastating impacts that these problems can affect people and our costs of living. Such things like our farm fresh foods, vacational areas, and utilities in our homes. First topic will be the impact on fresh foods, and then climate impact on vacationing places, and then climate impact on utilities for our homes. And last, we'll be comparing those costs. The impact of climate change on the cost of fresh foods is expected to increase, for many factors play into this progress. Shifts in the agricultural patterns. Climate change can lead to shifts in precipitation patterns, temperature, and extreme weather events. These changes can disrupt traditional agricultural patterns and affect crop yields. Changes in pest and disease prevalence. Climate change can alter the geographic range and prevalence of pests and diseases that affect crops and livestock. Warmer temperatures, for instance, can lead to certain pests, such as insects or fungal pathogens, which can decrease crop yields. Farmers may need to increase the use of pesticides, which add to costs of production and can further increase food prices. Sea level rise and coastal erosion. Rising sea levels due to climate change pose a threat to low-lying coastal areas, which are often important for agricultural production. Saltwater intrusion into freshwater supplies can render land unsuitable for cultivation, impacting crop yields and leading to higher prices for fresh produce. Increasing transportation costs. The climate change can also affect transportation infrastructure due to extreme weather events such as storms, floods, or heat waves, which can disrupt road and railway networks. Additionally, rising fuel prices and stricter emissions regulations can increase transportation costs. As fresh food often need to be transported over long distance to reach consumers, these factors can contribute to higher prices. Increased labor costs. Climate change can impact such as heat waves that can also affect the health and productivity of agricultural workers. Faced with challenging working conditions, farmers may need to invest in measures like shade, hydration stations, and personal protective equipment, which can increase labor costs and subsequently impact food prices. It is important to note that specific impact on the cost of fresh foods will vary by region and type of produce. Some regions may experience increased productivity due to changing climate conditions, while others will face significant challenges. However, the overall trend suggests that the impact of climate change will likely lead to an increase in costs of fresh food. The cost of vacationing is projected to increase as well due to the impact of climate. Demand and availability. Climate change can alter weather patterns affecting the availability and desirability of vacation destinations. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, or wildfires can disrupt tourism, causing damage and make certain areas less accessible. Ecosystem degradation. Changes can harm natural ecosystems such as coral reefs, forests, or wildlife habitats through rising temperatures, ocean acidification, or deforestation. Such degradation can result in reduced biodiversity and reduced attractiveness for tourists, pretty much like the land looking pretty. Health risks and insurance. Climate change can exacerbate health risks in certain regions. The spread of infectious disease, heat waves, or worsening air quality due to pollution can negatively impact tourists' well-being. Infrastructure and adaptation costs. Climate change often necessitates investments in new infrastructure and adaptation measures to safeguard tourist areas from its effects. This costs, such as building seawalls, fortifying buildings against storms, or implementing sustainable practices, may be passed on to visitors through increased prices for accommodation, transportation, or other services. Carbon pricing and green incentives. As a response to climate change, governments and organizations may introduce carbon pricing mechanisms or green incentives that aim to offset emissions or encourage suitable practices. It is important to know that the exact impact on vacation costs will vary depending on the specific location. The cost of utilities for homes is projected to increase as well in this department. It's primarily due to increased energy demand. Rising temperatures results from a climate change will lead to increased energy demand for cooling purposes. As people rely more on air-conditioned systems, the demand for electricity will escalate, consequently increasing utility costs. Extreme weather events. Climate change is expected to cause more frequent and severe extreme weather events such as hurricanes, storms, and heat waves. These events can result into damage to utility infrastructure and power outages, leading to a higher cost for repair, maintenance, and grid reliability, which they talk about the Tesla. In all actuality, our country is not ready to support the Tesla. Our power grids cannot hold the demand of cost of the Tesla. Water scarcity. Climate change can also lead to water scarcity in certain regions, forcing water utilities to adopt expensive methods for water extraction, treatment, and distribution. This cost burden is likely to be passed on to consumers through increased water bills. Renewable energy transmission. A society that aims to mitigate climate change by transmitting to renewable energy resources. There will be initial investment costs associated with setting infrastructure for renewable energy generation. These costs may be transferred partially to consumers. Adaptation and resilience measures. Climate change adaptation resilience efforts will require investments in infrastructure improvements, such as creating more resilient power grids and implement energy efficient systems. This investment may lead to increased utility costs, but also provide long-term benefits through energy savings and reduce vulnerability to climate-related disruptions. As we are comparing the impacts and costs for like the fresh food impacts, the impacts for the climate there, the availability of quality of fresh foods, rising temperatures, shifting rain patterns, and increasing extreme weather events can disrupt agricultural production. This can lead to reduced yield of crop failures. And for the cost for that, a higher production cost due to the need of climate adaptation and measures such as investing in irrigation systems. That includes like vocational impacts. The climate impacts this as well. Climate change can have indirect impacts on vocational sectors such as tourism, construction, and manufacturing. Just like for the foods, the impact of climate changing also like transporting these said goods. Along with utilities, as climate can affect the availability, reliability, and cost of utilities for homes. For example, like we were discussing, the rising temperatures can increase electricity demand for cooling, potentially leading to power shortages and higher energy prices. And just like the cost, energy and water utilities may need to invest in infrastructure upgrades, such as constructing more resilient power grids or improving water supply systems to withstand climate disruptions. Climate change can have various impacts on the cost of fresh foods, vocational sectors, and utilities for homes, including reduced supply, increased production costs, infrastructure investments, and higher consumer prices. The specific impacts and costs will depend on the region, sector, and the extent of climate changes that are affecting that area. Thank you again for listening to my presentation. I have references on my right side if you want to know more about what we discussed and went through. Again, thank you and bye.